The leak simulation kit includes 4 high-precision restrictors, so you can simulate different hole sizes. Both a sharp and a blunt needle are included with the kit. Typically, the sharp needle is used, but the blunt needle is useful on shallow thermoform packages or packages with minimal headspace, so you don't pierce through the package or into the product. Easily assemble the kit in different combinations to best meet your needs. Test that your package is leak-free before starting a leak simulation. Place the septum on the package to ensure a tight seal. Make sure the product is not close to the insertion area. Test the package in your leak detector again to ensure it is providing accurate results. Use the various restrictors to simulate different hole sizes during shelf life studies.